Occasionally, we need to find what happens to an object as it is stressed beyond the point of yield. Nonlinear analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation allows us to accurately calculate the stresses and strains on an object due to high load conditions. Here we have a segment of a steel clamp with a 500-pound load applied. Due to high force, the clamp is stressed past yield, which is highlighted in red. With the nonlinear solver, we can see accurate deformation and stress values based on the stress-strain curve. SOLIDWORKS Simulation has a huge library of materials with stress-strain curves that can be applied to your design. If the material you need is not already in the library, custom materials and properties can be easily created. With greater confidence in your design, you can optimize your product faster and with fewer steps using the nonlinear analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation.